What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wild Ride Outdoors. Today's lure build, we had a request from a lady who's really into tropical fish tanks, and she was looking to get a Dalmatian Molly. For the most part, she just wants something to hang on her car window, but also, in case she decides to use it, we're going to make sure it's a fully functional lure. So we're going to get this cut out and then traced onto our basswood plank, and then take it from there. Stick with me and let's see what we can create. Now that's cut out, we got to get our lines marked for our tail fin and our bill. Now that our shape is cut out relatively close and our slots are in, now we get to carving. After drilling the holes to the proper depth, go ahead and glue in your eyelets. Then, we're going to use our Minwax polyacrylic to coat the lure and waterproof it. Do not forget to wipe it down with alcohol, otherwise the polyacrylic will not adhere and cure properly. Hey guys, sorry we had to jump ahead a little bit, but we got the tail fin cut out. We did a lorry tail style fin, a little bit fancier, nice little grooves cut in it, some shape. We got our little round bill, and we also drilled and glued in lead weight, so it should balance out nicely. Let's get to painting. I probably should have sorted all this out to begin with, but I decided to just make a top fin out of plastic for this lure. So I got that cut out and shaped, and a groove cut into the lure's back for that to slide into. So it'll look roughly like that. Then we got that glued in, and then we spackle painted it and the rear fin just like the rest of the body. Alright guys, this is what we came up with. I think it turned out pretty nice. The feather hook looks pretty cool on there too. As always, I want to thank you guys for joining me again at Wild Ride Outdoors. If you could hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, it'd be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you on the next one.